How to fix Microsoft Office cannot find your license for this application error on Windows. So if you want to fix the Microsoft Office cannot find your license for this application error on your Windows, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your services. First, search for services. Once you've searched, now you just need to simply go with the W section. Press W or S. Once you go with the S, now here you will have the software protection properties service. You just need to simply find it. Here you will have the software protection. You just need to simply double click on it, and here you just need to simply go and start the service, or you can restart the service if it has already been started. Once you've restarted the service, go with apply and then OK, and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then move on to the next solution, which is you need to update the Microsoft Office. To update your Microsoft Office, you just need to simply open up your Microsoft Store. Once you open up your Microsoft Store, now you just need to simply go with libraries, which is here on the bottom left. And under your libraries, you just need to simply go with search, and you need to search for Microsoft Office, and here you will have it. Just click on it, and here on this you will have update option. If you have any updates, you just need to simply go with update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just go with the next solution, which is open up your control panel. And under your control panel, you need to go with hardware and sound, and go with program and features. And you need to go with the Microsoft Edge, which is right here. And you just need to simply right click on it, go with change or uninstall, and after that again install it, and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then what you need to do is just go with the CMD, search for CMD, and go with run as administrator. And once you go with run as administrator, click on yes, and here you need to run an SFC scan. So you just need to simply write SFC / scan now, and hit the enter, and it will take some time to scan files or documents on your computer, and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Microsoft Office cannot find your license for this application error on your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.